Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use AI to basically generate anything that you want on CapCut PC. From stickers, to text effects, to photos, to even like photo effect stylists and stuff like that. You can generate it. So I'll use this photo first. We can go ahead and go to AI stylist and select AI effects. And here you can select the kind of style that you want. For instance, oil painting. I'll type in like Renaissance. I hope I spelled that right. Royal, pretty, pink. You can also do randomly. I think some of it is a pro feature, yes, which I can because I've used all of my free uses, but you're going to just select that. You can also generate it from styles. Here, I'm just going to add this like Gothic Girl one maybe. And here in text, you can also generate text effects. So if you go to AI generated here, you can select the font firstly here. And then you can type in, for instance, Gothic, dark, magical, and you're just going to generate it here. Make sure you, I think that's, okay, this is what it generated. So you're going to select the font here when it's done generating, and you're just going to add it to your canvas by just clicking on it, like the plus button here, and it's going to be applied to your photo. Can't really see it because I did choose like a dark one. I'll show you like here. It looks a little bit more visible. And here I'm just going to adjust it so it's a little bit more bright. And hopefully you can see the font here. You can also generate some stickers. If you go to stickers here, you can go to AI generated. For instance, like magic, cat, black, dark, gothic, I don't know, but you're just going to select generate, and you can also adjust the styles as well. I did choose cartoon, but you can select the style that you want before you select generate. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.